Your agents are manually routing tickets every single day. And that's costing you hours you can't get back. Zendesk business rules are your support team's autopilot, using simple if-then logic to handle the repetitive work automatically. Let me show you how to set them up. Business rules follow a single idea. When a condition is met, an action fires. One rule can handle hundreds of tickets without anyone lifting a finger. There are 4 types: triggers, automations, macros, and views. And each one serves a different purpose. Triggers are event-driven. They fire the instant a ticket is created or updated. Set all conditions for strict matching or any to cast a wider net. This makes them perfect for real-time routing and automatic acknowledgement replies. Automations take a different approach. They run once per hour and check all tickets for time-based conditions. You'd use them to close tickets 4 days after they're solved, or to escalate issues that have been sitting untouched for too long. Choosing between triggers and automations comes down to timing. Triggers react immediately to ticket events. Use them for routing and notifications. Automations run on a schedule. Use them for follow-ups and time-sensitive escalations. They're not interchangeable. To create your first trigger, head to Admin Center. Then Objects and Rules, then Business Rules, then Triggers. Admin access is required. Only administrators can create, edit, or delete business rules in Zendesk. Click Add Trigger, give it a descriptive name, and define your conditions. Use all conditions when every rule must match, and any when just one is enough. A clear name like Escalate VIP Tickets to Advanced Support will save you hours of troubleshooting later. Actions define what happens when your conditions are met. Assign a group, set priority, add tags, or send a notification. After saving, test immediately by creating a ticket that matches your conditions and verifying the result fires correctly. For tasks that depend on the clock, automations are your tool. Set conditions using hours since created, updated, or solved, and choose calendar hours or business hours to match your team's actual schedule. Macros are preset action bundles agents apply with a single click, perfect for tasks that are too nuanced to fully automate. Start with the 6 essentials: acknowledgement replies, priority updates, escalation handoffs, closure templates, frequent answers, and quick tagging. 5 practices make the difference between rules that help and rules that create chaos. Start with your biggest pain points. Use descriptive names. Test before deploying. Document every rule. And audit quarterly to deactivate what you no longer need. Business rules follow your instructions exactly, but they can't read sentiment, understand customer history, or adapt to new situations. When tickets require nuanced judgment, that's where eesel AI picks up where rules leave off, resolving up to 81% of conversations autonomously. Zendesk business rules handle the predictable. eesel AI handles everything else. Try eesel AI free for 7 days, no credit card required, and see what smarter support looks like at www.eesel.ai.